Vortex is a high-performance roughing technique that allows us to run with much deeper cuts and much faster than the traditional roughing techniques. It cuts the material in controlled engagement instead of constant engagement, particularly in corners. It takes 4 times the diameter of the solid carbide cutter as depth. The entire tool path never exceeds the step over value, so the tool never overloaded. Programming complex parts is a time-consuming activity. Creating the best possible tool paths naturally involves in experimenting some changes in the tool path recalculation. Autodesk PowerMill allows the tool path to be edited without the need of recalculation by saving time and start machining immediately. User can delete tool path by selecting individual segments or can pick larger regions using plane, boundary, or polygon. Alternatively, divide the tool paths intelligently by direction, length, or time for long-running tool paths to avoid wear and tear of the cutting tool. Use reverse and reorder function to change the cutting direction, which provides lower cutting time. For repeating patterns or similar features, create one toolpath for a particular feature, then use the copy and transform function to save time. Take full control over the exact position of the start and end point of your toolpath and avoid leaving dwell marks of the machined parts. Autodesk PowerMill 5-axis toolpath produces higher level of safety for both machine and the part. The level of safety highlights the user to take action, and that can be modified locally with the interactive features. Toolpath verification provides exact value of tool overhang required with holder clearance specified by the user, and then PowerMill automatically adjusts the tool overhang to avoid holder collisions. Dynamic machine control helps the user interactively to reposition the machine tool axis and to convert 3-axis toolpath into a 3+2 or positional 5-axis toolpath with shorter length holders to avoid collisions. Automatic tool axis tilting used alternatively for the wide range of tool axis tilting option within PowerMill. It produces continuous 5-axis toolpath without any collisions with significant reduction in programming time. Additional blend control improves the machine motion even further to increase surface finish accuracy. Simulation Analysis plugin provides detailed machine motion to identify any potential issues, for example like axis reversal. By using these results, we can change the way of part orientation to avoid dwell marks or other finishing related issues. Autodesk PowerMill have greater solutions to customize and automate, and this reduces programming time and to avoid human error. Macros can be created at user level by record, modify, and rerun it for similar profiles across different projects. Toolpath templates reduce repetitive entries of parameters and to avoid human errors. This saves programming time greatly and to maintain a standard across CNC machine shop. These toolpath templates also can be called through macros for sequence of operations in a particular feature. Quick selection filter allows the user to select whole or profile features which can be later used for toolpath calculations. Many industries start implementing probing solution to inspect the machined part for the best usage of CNC machine, efficient workflow, and to save time. Once the part is machined or fabricated, inspect the part efficiently by probing method instead of depending on other sources. Autodesk PowerMill have the best solution to generate toolpath for both point inspection over planes and surface inspection over profiled areas where we can use the surface curves as a pattern. Run the post-processed NC program in the CNC machine to get the machine-generated result file. The resulted file then upload to the Autodesk drive to view the results in cloud or import the file into PowerInspect for further analysis.